today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a header in Elementor free. Whether you're new to creating websites or you're a seasoned designer, crafting a neat and functional header is crucial for your site's navigation and branding. Let's dive in. First, ensure you've installed Elementor, a versatile page builder plugin. You can do this by navigating to your WordPress dashboard, hovering over plugins, and selecting Add New. In the search bar, type Elementor, then click Install Now followed by Activate. Once activated, you've got the power of Elementor at your fingertips to start building. Now, head over to the Appearance tab on your WordPress dashboard and select Customize. This is where we'll define our site-wide header settings. In most themes, you'll find options related to the header under the Header section. Here, you'll typically set your site's logo and primary menu, which are both vital components of a header. Upload your logo, and make sure it's rightly sized and clear, as this represents your brand. Next, let's create a new page under the Pages section and name it something intuitive like Header Template. Open this newly created page in Elementor by clicking the Edit with Elementor button. This takes you into the Elementor interface, providing a drag-and-drop experience to effortlessly construct your header. Once inside Elementor, locate and click on the plus icon to add a new section. Opt for a single column structure for a clean and straightforward start. With your section created, it's time to add elements. Begin by dragging and dropping an image widget into your new section for your logo. Click on the widget to customize it. Upload your logo image file, adjust its size, and align it to your preference, usually left or center for best practice. We now want to incorporate a navigation menu. Drag the Nav menu widget into your section. If it's not immediately visible, you can access it by clicking the Rubik's Cube icon in the top right to browse all widgets. Customize this widget by selecting your desired menu from the Edit menu panel. You'll need to have created a menu under Appearance menus if you haven't done so already. To polish your header's appearance, let's add some design flair. Select the section that holds your header elements and open the Style tab within Elementor. Here you can adjust background colors, add background images, and tweak margins and padding for a balanced layout. Consistency is key, so ensure your colors and fonts align with your broader branding guidelines. Lastly, don't forget to save your template. Click on the arrow next to the Save button and choose Save as Template. Name your template clearly, like Header Template. Now, you can apply this header across all your site's pages, providing a seamless, professional look. That's it for today's tutorial on creating a header in Elementor free. I hope you find this guide helpful and that you're able to build headers that not only look great but serve your website's functionality well. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more website building tips. Happy designing!